believing, with wholehearted dreaming, that I'd find my prince someday.
Love bears all things, believe all things, hope all things, love all things, and endures all things. And that's my prayer for you. As you go to this journey, you will have hope and faith that you will trust the Lord from day one until the
No
end.
fantasy could ever compare to what I found in you. 'Cause I found so much more than Prince Charming. Found a man.
Pogi mo. Ang galing mo, Lord.
Ang
galing mo.
Relax mo.
Kaya, daming, nagpa-prayer warrior tayo.
Far beyond anything I could dream. How beautiful love can be.
Congrats.
That we are so blessed when Oliver came. Hello. Family. And now he's getting married.
There's not a doubt in my mind that God brought us together. You are the answer to every prayer of mine.
Love, Oliver, I know that our relationship has been tested by distance. It has only made our love stronger. We have learned to trust each other and cherish every moment we have together. Your understanding and empathy have been a constant source of comfort.
But the hard times will make us strong.
Nung una kitang nakilala, just always, lagi naman doon nagsisimula. I knew already na ikaw na eh. I don't know, but maybe that's God's miracle to feel love.
How beautiful love can be.
I will strive to be your partner in faith, offering a listening ear, a gentle word, and a helping hand when you need it the most.
All my life I've dreamed of this moment, but I never could have lived. How beautiful love can be. How beautiful love can be. Love can be.
Happy birthday to you. Alright. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Alright. I wish for everyone's good life. Thank you for greeting. Thank you so much. Yeah. Very short word.
When I was young, just a boy, dreamed of falling in love with a girl like you. Through the years I thought I found you, but nothing would do. Now here we are. I wanna grow old with you.
June 12, Kalayaan. Araw ng kalayaan, pero nagsama tong dalawa. Ewan ko lang kung bakit. Pero alam ko mahal nila yung isa't isa. Pero always go back that loving is time to forgive. It's a decision that you will do every day.
I love you!
Love na love ko po kayo ng papa.
Yes.
Love you.
Didn't see you coming. Through the years you were doubting, you thought about running. Now here we are. I wanna grow old with you.
Oliver, my love, knowing that it is God's will for me to marry you, I make a commitment to you today, before God Almighty, before all these people, to become your wife and helpmate. I commit to love you and submit to you as my spiritual company. I will not hinder you, but I will inspire you and encourage you all my life. I commit to support and respect you.
Ito na tayo. Kasama na kita. Karap kita dito with sa harap ng ating ni God and to all witnesses here. And I will just promise na I will prioritize you. I will provide for you. I will build the foundation on our family, to our future family, to our children also. And I'll promise that I will fulfill God's purpose of marriage para sa atin dalawa. Yun lang, and I love you so much.